The videos presented in this channel are designed to help you understand how common engineering structures work. The channel is called Engineering Models because we use physical models to explain each structure. I use the models you will see to teach my students at the University of Waterloo, and they use them in various labs. On my website, you will find classroom resources, drawings, and other materials related to the models to make it easier for you to copy and use them. To help you decide which videos to watch on our channel, here is a sampling of them. Equilibrium of a point, equilibrium of a body, arches and chains, fun with arches, suspension bridges, Gothic cathedrals, soil and water pressure, dams, retaining walls, silos and tanks, tunnels and culverts, forces on submerged surfaces, beam statics, shearing beams, beam bending, plate bending, domes, and beautiful bones. We hope you will enjoy our channel and that it will inspire you to build some models of your own. Thank you for watching.